Welcome back, automotive enthusiasts, to another exclusive update from the pinnacle of luxury hypercars. Today, we are diving into an absolute masterpiece that just sent shockwaves through the industry. Bugatti has officially unveiled a breathtaking one-off creation known as the Destrier, and it takes one of their most extreme track weapons and transforms it into a rolling piece of art. If you thought the track-only Bugatti Bolide was untouchable, wait until you hear what the Programme Solitaire bespoke division has managed to accomplish for one extremely wealthy anonymous client. The Bugatti Destrier essentially strips away the massive aerodynamic wings, aggressive vents, and raw track elements of the Bolide, replacing them with a purely elegant, sculpted carbon fiber body inspired by the legendary Type 57 SC Atlantic. This coach-built marvel retains the same ultra-rigid carbon fiber monocoque and the ferocious quad-turbo W16 engine, meaning it still produces a mind-bending 1,578 horsepower. However, instead of chasing lap times, this one-of-one creation is designed to be the ultimate expression of grand touring luxury and automotive haute couture. The exterior is finished in a bespoke, mesmerizing shade called Sapphire Celeste, paying homage to Ralph Lauren's iconic classic, complemented by hand-polished aluminum trim and heavily tinted exposed carbon fiber. Standing just 1 meter tall, it is officially the lowest Bugatti ever built, riding on stunning 20-inch front and 21-inch rear wheels that give it the muscular, aggressive stance of a medieval warhorse, which is exactly where the name Destrier originates. Stepping inside, the transformation continues to astonish. The stripped-out, race-focused cockpit of the original Bolide is completely gone. In its place, the Destrier features a cabin draped in rich amber voyageur leather, premium nuback, and a bespoke three-dimensional knitted textile woven with real copper yarn. You'll also find incredible hammered metal accents throughout the interior, perfectly mimicking medieval knight armor. To cap it all off, a laser-engraved dedication plate sits proudly above the windscreen, celebrating the shared DNA between Bugatti's historic masterpieces and this modern titan. Slated to make its highly anticipated public debut at the Pebble Beach Concourse of Elegance, this bespoke W16 hypercar redefines exclusivity. While the price remains a closely guarded secret, the Destrier proves that Bugatti's bespoke division is operating on an entirely different level of automotive excellence. Let us know your thoughts on this wingless hypercar in the comments below.